My name's Tess Greaves. I'm the current project manager for the Tullaroop Catchment Restoration Project, led by North Central CMA. This is a partnership project between the CMA, Djaara, Gold Murray Water and Central Highlands Water. And today we're here on a Parks Victoria Reserve, the Bullarook Streamside Reserve, and we are re-vegging.
This is pretty exciting, this little project today. We're working with the recreational fishers from all over Bendigo, Clunes, to come through and help us with our restoration of this site by planting a few trees today. This site that we're working on here, the Bullarook Streamside Reserve, is a public access site. It's fairly well used by the local community to swim and fish. So the idea of removing the willows to gain access more back to the stream was really important to the local community. 4 or 5 years ago, we arrived at this site. It was chock-block full of willows. Some of them have been here for many, many years, all overgrown with blackberry and really shading out the creek itself. And there wasn't a lot of life here.
Today we have many fishers attending to help with the planting of indigenous species on the bank. And that indicates that fishers are very keen to make sure that fishing is sustainable and recognise that water quality and habitat are the key factors.
Today I'm here at the Bullarook site to help with the revegetation. The Kapagudgeon or Knowing Water Group acknowledged this area as a priority due to the ongoing works by NCCMA and JANDAC over the recent years. Supporting existing works and collaborations here is a higher priority than starting new Djaara-led programs and initiatives. Recommendations for this site include continuing collaboration with NCCMA as a partner while continuing to support external projects and works. Djaara hope to monitor this site upstream and downstream over time to monitor the changes, particularly in the water quality and the vegetation health.
As far as habitat value, our eDNA showed us that there were blackfish and platypus living in this stretch of the creek. An added benefit of removing those willows is providing more in-stream habitat for those things to survive.
When I think about that vision, I imagine these red gums and blackwoods grown nice and tall and the creek line really thriving with improved biodiversity and an opportunity for people to connect to nature in a better way that really accurately represents this country and what it should look like.
All the efforts to improve riparian in water habitat are just positive really, and fishermen understand that fully, and that's why they're here today.
Eventually, I just hope that this site can be repaired somewhat to what it would have been pre-European settlement. We're not going to take it back to exactly that, but if we can improve it and improve the water quality going through the creek, then I think that's a benefit for everyone.